So I'm going to show you exactly how you can use the website Looka. The link is down in the description. Make sure to check it to click it out. So first you want to enter your company name. For us, we explain things. Get started. And now we must pick our industry. Now there's a bunch of industries here, but you can also just type in, okay, we'll go entertainment and press continue. And now it's going to give you a number of generated logos which you may like. So what style? I like this style, this style, this one, and the list just keeps going on and on and on. And once you've picked all your styles, what you want to do is click continue. Now you must choose some colors. So I'm going to choose purple, yellow, continue. Slogan. Now slogan, I'm going to need quick and easy tutorials. We must shorten the slogan, so we're going to go tutorials for you. Just tutorials. Now continue. Pick some of the symbols that you might use. Well, entertainment, fun. We will go with any more, no more, creativity. Continue. Now we must pick a logo to customize it. Click design the preview. Now it's going to generate a bunch of logos for you. And you can basically just go through here and look it. Otherwise you can press start customizing. So I personally like this one. After that, you must sign up. So click Google. And now we're in. They have designed our thing, and now we can look at it now. Now see, it gives us templates here and here. And there's also more suggestions based on this style. So I'm going to click this one, and then you can even continue editing by clicking font changes over here, symbols, what symbol would you like? I believe this symbol looks pretty cool. Now the palette is the background, the layout is what style you have on. I believe this one looks perfect. Suggested is AI generated, so we won't worry about that. More ideas will just be a bunch of another random things. The background, name, slogan, symbol, container. Now I think this looks pretty clean. And then we come down to colors and recents. And now looking at it here, I think that looks pretty neat. There it is again. Now this website, once again, is down in the description. Make sure to check it out. Alright, now to exit it, all you need to do is press download. And now you can either get the PDF or start shipping it to your products and stuff like that. So get brand kick and download. And now here it will take you to the payments. So you got your basic logo for $20, one-time fee, premium, multiple fees at a very high resolution with unlimited changes, lifetime technical support, full ownership. Now the most popular will be the brand kit. It's only $100 a year, or $96, which is 50% off. Now this comes with all these offers. If we show more, this is clearly the best option. Or you can come to here, which is another option. All the questions you might have, it will be down in this section down here, just under the payment section. And you can look at all the customers' reviews. For example, Noel said, "This is my second time using this company and I'll be using them again, definitely." Make the investment for your business and make a good logo. Thank you for listening. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.